Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm making this video to let you know Chevy Malibus ain't shit. And I'm just keeping it real. You know, GM, Chevy itself, they wrong for that. I mean, I love Chevys, but this will be the last one I'm gonna get. All weekend, I've been trying to start my Chevy Malibu. No start. See, look. No start. The battery's connected. It's good. It's a good, strong battery. I got a new starter on there. The alternator is good. Here it is, the side panel. The fuses, had to take that loose, check all the fuses. Those are good. I might need an ignition switch. I don't know. I'm gonna pop the hood. But yeah, Chevy Malibus, I don't care what year. I would not recommend getting it. Yeah, my son got a 2000 Lincoln. Runs better than my 2011 Chevy Malibu. All the wiring is intact. The battery is good. Matter of fact, that's a new battery. I've been wiggling wires all damn weekend. Nothing has been working. So I'm waiting on the tow truck right now as we speak. This will at least be the third or fourth time it's been on the tow truck this year. And it's just April. Do not, I repeat, do not buy a Chevy Malibu. Yeah, it looks good from the outside and on the inside. But do not spend your hard-earned money on a Chevy Malibu, because you will have electrical problems. It's not if, it's just a matter of when you will have electrical problems. Do not buy a Chevy Malibu. Matter of fact, everybody who got a Chevy Malibu, leave a comment. Let me know what your problem is or was with your car. And let me know if you fixed it, solved it, or if you're still going through it. We all probably need to get up together and go to GM, Chevy, or whoever needs to listen and get all our cars fixed. Hit me up. Peace.